Hey there, Windows 10 users. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily check which graphics card you have on your system. Let's get started. First, right-click on your desktop. Then, click on Display Settings. In the Display Settings window, scroll down until you find Advanced Display Settings. Click on it. Next, scroll down again and click on Display Adapter Properties. Under the Adapter tab, you should see your graphics card listed under adapter type. For example, mine is the Intel HD Graphics 520, which is an integrated graphics card. Below, you'll also see a list of graphics memory, including total available graphics memory, dedicated video memory, system video memory, and shared system memory. These details will help you understand your graphics card's capabilities better. Another way to check is by right-clicking on the bottom left corner of your screen and selecting Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the arrow next to Display Adapters. Here, you'll see your graphics card listed. Again, mine is the Intel HD Graphics 520. And there you have it. Checking which graphics card you have on Windows 10 is as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.